Microsoft Excel, Chapter 3, Blue Box 10. This is not what you're supposed to do for your exercise, but I want to show you what the result's going to be. I'm going to type equals round. That's the function that we're going to use, open parentheses, and then I'm going to click on what's in C1 and do comma 2. So what I've just asked Excel to do is I want it to round in the way in which we round standard rounding rules. We're going to go out to the 2 decimal points and whatever is a 5 or above in the third decimal place, we'll add 1 to the number. And if it was 4 in the third decimal place or lower, it's going to round it down. So in this case, we can see the number 699. Okay, the 9 that we have in that third is going to round that up and turn that into 0.70 for us, which is why it only shows you the 0.7. Okay, so instead of having the number on the worksheet multiple times, sometimes it becomes more convenient for us to put the average function that we have inside of the round. So the way we can do that is we click after the equal sign but before the A in average, and I start to type round. Notice as soon as I get far enough where I've got just round there, if I hit the tab key, now I'm going to enter in what is it that I want rounded. I want the number that we saw there before rounded. I need to go to the very end and do a comma because I need to give a second argument. How many digits? 2. And so I'll put the 2 there and close off the round function. So the average function is now sitting inside of the round function. You can think of it this way. What the round function is doing is it's taking this number 674.6993548 and rounding it to the 2 decimal places. Well, how did it get the 674? Well, that number was determined. What number is it getting rounded? That number was determined by the average function. So the average function is sitting inside of the round function. That's called nesting. You nested the average inside the round.